Hi everyone, Dr. Diane here at LaPorte Orthopedic and Balance Therapy. I'm back with Peggy, and we have some tips for you if you have back pain. So, here are 3 modifications that you can try at home to see if it helps with your back pain. So the first of which is, if you have a tendency to catch yourself either sitting or standing with a slouch, or maybe you stand with a hip popped while you're talking to people, something like that, what that does, let's say you're in more of a slouch position, is it takes the spine out of its sort of natural or neutral alignment. So if you catch yourself doing that, I would recommend trying to essentially straighten things out of it. So the way that you can do that is to bring your shoulder blades down and back so that they're a little bit closer together. And you can imagine elongating your spine like there's a string and you're pulling the string. Peggy just grew about 1 inch there. And so giving your body an opportunity to have more of a neutral spine can sometimes help with back pain. So the second thing is, if you find that you sit a lot, so let's just say during the day at home, you find that in front of the TV you tend to sit, and when you have your meals you tend to sit. If you try moving around more, so taking that periodic walk, getting up, shifting your position, and just getting your body moving can often make a difference when it comes to back pain. A good example, I think, is when we have a long car ride. If we're going on a trip somewhere and you're basically trapped in your car for hours on end, the back almost always has a tendency to start to become uncomfortable. And it's just a sign of the body wanting to move. So something that you can try at home is just get up and move around a little bit. You don't have to go for a 10-mile walk or anything crazy. Even just walking around the house periodically can make a difference. Conversely, let's say you're kind of on the opposite end of the spectrum and you move. You're always on the go. Sometimes too much of a good thing can cause problems. If you're more of the kind of person who's on the move all the time, sitting down every once in a while, just taking a break, can help reduce pain and tension in the back. So those are 3 things that you can try to help with your back pain. There's moving around more. If you have a more sedentary lifestyle where you're doing a lot of sitting, having periodic breaks if you have a really, really active lifestyle to let the back relax. And then there's trying to spend a little more time with a neutral spine to avoid that slouch, avoid that kind of slump to the side position if you have a tendency to do that. Thank you for watching.